Providing real-time analytics to your affiliate team is a game changer for driving performance and making quick adjustments that improve results. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up real-time analytics for your affiliate team, so you can stay on top of performance and make data-driven decisions in the moment. First, let's talk about why this is so important. Real-time analytics give you immediate insight into how your affiliate campaigns are performing. Instead of waiting hours or days to see reports, you can respond quickly to trends, spot issues, and optimize efforts without wasting time. By providing your affiliate team with access to these real-time insights, you empower them to act quickly, and that can directly lead to increased sales and better conversions. The key to making this work is selecting the right software. After trying out several of the top tools out there, I found one that offers a seamless experience for tracking and sharing analytics in real time. This software integrates with your affiliate platform, so you can automatically pull in the most up-to-date metrics, from clicks and impressions to conversions and commissions. It's an all-in-one dashboard that your team can check whenever they need to. And the best part? They can set up custom notifications, so they're always alerted to important events as they happen. This keeps everyone on the same page and focused on what's working right now. Once your software is set up, make sure your affiliate team is trained on how to read the analytics properly. It's easy for numbers to get overwhelming, so focus on the key performance indicators, KPIs, that matter most for your campaigns. These include conversion rates, click-through rates, and commissions. If you're tracking things like traffic sources or specific campaigns, ensure your team knows how to interpret those metrics so they can optimize as needed. Having everyone on the same page with the data is vital for making informed, real-time decisions. Another tip, make it easy for your team to access and analyze these real-time analytics. Using a dashboard that's easy to navigate and read is key here. You don't want your affiliate team wasting time trying to find information. The software should do that for them. With the right tools, they'll have a clear overview of their performance, so they can quickly identify what's working and adjust what's not. I also recommend setting up real-time reports or alerts for key actions. For example, you can set up notifications for when a campaign hits a certain threshold of conversions, or when a top-performing affiliate is outperforming others. This ensures that everyone on your team can act quickly, making the most of the momentum or quickly adjusting to any dips in performance. Now, if you're ready to try this software out for yourself, I've partnered with the software we're using in this tutorial to offer you an exclusive free trial. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check the link in the description below and follow along if you want to implement this for your own affiliate team. The key takeaway here is that providing real-time analytics to your affiliate team is all about giving them the insights they need to take immediate action. With the right software, you can make data-driven decisions faster, empowering your team to improve performance and drive better results. To recap, first, choose the right software that offers real-time data integration. Second, make sure your team understands the key metrics and how to act on them. Third, ensure that real-time reports and alerts are set up so no opportunity is missed. And finally, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the link below to get started today.